Hello everyone, this is Priyanka of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today I am here to present a presentation on data models, database schema and data instances. So first let us know the introduction of data models. Data models provide a framework for organizing and structuring the data. They are used to define the structure of the data, storage and operations, and they represent the data's complexities. A data model also provides a set of tools and notations for the data related tasks. By the structure of a database, we mean the data types, relationships, and constraints that should hold on data. The various types of data models are the conceptual data model, logical data model, physical data model. Conceptual data model. It describes the high level concepts and relationships between them without worrying about the detail. Logical data model. It focuses on how data is represented, stored, and accessed in a database. Physical data model. It describes the database specific implementation and business aspects. Next, we move on to the next topic, that is database schema. The definition of database schema is it defines the structure of the database, including the table, fields, and relationships between them. The use cases are database schemas are used in database design, querying, and understanding the data dependencies. The importance of database schema are it ensures the integrity of the data and provides a blueprint of how the database is constructed and organized. The examples for database schema, it includes tables, relationships, and constraints. The tables, those are used to store the data in a structured format within a database schema. Relationships, the database schema define the relationships between the different tables such as one to one, one to many, and many to many relationships. Constraints. Constraints like primary key, foreign key, and unique key are defined in a database schema to maintain the data integrity. Next, the types of database schema: relational schema, object based schema, and XML schema. The relational schema, it uses a tabular format to store the data entities and the relationships between them. Object-based schema, it defines the data objects with methods and attributes that define their behavior. XML schema, it used to define the structure of an XML document, including the elements and attributes. Database schema design best practices. Design schemas with scalability, performance, and data integrity in mind. Utilize normalization techniques to minimize the data redundancy and anomalies. Document and communicate the schema design to all the stakeholders. So these are the design schema design best practices. Next, the introduction to database instances. Database instance refers to a single occurrence of a database running at a particular moment in time. It is an instantiation of the database at a specific point, including the data, schema, and other related structures. Here are some key points of a database instance. First, memory structure. The database instance uses the portions of the computer's memory to store the data and control the structures. This includes the buffer cache, which holds recently accessed data to improve the query performance. Ishi. Background processes. Various background processes manage and maintain the database instance. These processes handle tasks such as recovery, locking, and logging. Data files. Physical files on disk where the actual data is stored. These files include the data files, control files, and redo log files. Next, control files. These files stores the metadata about the database, including the database name, data file locations, log file locations, and other configuration information. Redo log files. These files stores a record of changes made to the database. They are crucial for recovery and rollback operations. System global area, a shared memory region that contains data and control information for one Oracle database instance. It consists of various pools such as the buffer cache, shared pool, and the last pool. Database instances consist of data population, data retrieval, data manipulation. Data population, initial process of entering the data into the tables of a database instance. Data retrieval, the process of obtaining the stored information from the database instance for various purposes. Data manipulation, modifying and updating the stored data to reflect changing requirements or conditions. There are various benefits of understanding the data models. So, enhanced data quality, efficient data retrieval, unified data presentation, flexibility in data modification, scalability and performance, and improved data security. Next, the challenges we are facing in database schema management are: there are four challenges: data migration, performance optimization, schema versioning, and the security and the privacy. So, the data migration means updating and transitioning data from old schemas to new ones while maintaining the data consistency. Next, the data scheme versioning, managing changes and updates to the schema over time while ensuring the backward compatibility. The performance optimization, ensuring the efficient query, performance, and database operations as schemas evolve and grow. The final one is security and the privacy, protecting sensitive data and ensuring the compliance with privacy regulations through proper schema design and management. I hope you all understood. So, thank you. Bye.